Here I have Vivax Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then you have to go to the apps and notifications, advanced, special app access, install unknown apps. Here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install unknown apps. Let's select, for example, Google Chrome and just tap allow from this source. And now you can download, install unknown apps through the Google Chrome. You can do the same thing to the other apps from this list. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.